How to download DoorDash. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install this application. First of all, open Play Store. Now here on the right bottom, you can see the search icon. Tap on the search icon. Now on the top at the search bar, search for DoorDash. So it will pop up in the first. Simply tap on it. Make sure that this is the right application. You can verify it by seeing this logo and verify it by seeing the company name DoorDash. Now simply tap on install. So it will take some time. So what is DoorDash? DoorDash is an application where you'll be able to deliver things. So here you can even get rides and food orders. So it's a very efficient application. So it will take some time and you'll be all set. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.